Friday will be an exciting day for us. Why? Because we're gonna be swearing in to be Canadians.
Kana dyan.
Yay! Alege to that.
Na, maglaba ka na dyan.
Ano pa?
Magwalis ka na dyan.
Wow!
Mag-shovel ka na dyan.
Okay. So yeah, it's gonna be an exciting day for us on next Friday. Yeah, that's when we're gonna do our oath taking, and we are gonna be legally Canadians, no longer permanent residents. Pero syempre, we'll keep our pagka-Pinoy.
Yeah, syempre.
Yeah.
Pinoy ako.
Yeah, of course. We'll stay Pinoy at heart. Sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. Okay, see you Friday! We were able to set up the Zoom. Ready na ang aking buhok. I need to have a haircut.
Me too. Me too. I need a haircut. And then...
Hinala, wala ka na nga hair. Kusaba.
Oh, I need a haircut. And then...
No, you don't need a haircut. You
only I have to cut my hair. It's ugly.
Mahirap talaga. High-tech.
High-tech.
So, kailangan namin ng Zoom. Kasi nga virtual yung aming oath-taking. So, yun. Buti na lang nalagay yung Zoom. Kailangan ma-practice yung O Canada. Growing hearts, we see the right, the true, Lord, strong and free. Nawala yung tawa, utal-utal. We're setting up our camera and the flag for the oath-taking tomorrow. Nervous and excited at the same time. And overthinking that we might have some problems tomorrow, especially technical glitches. So hopefully everything will turn out good. We're testing our Zoom and how to take pictures, a selfie picture. So tomorrow, when they say natural. What else? Documents. Okay, we have to prepare everything. Those things we need for tomorrow, the requirements.
You can hear us?
Hi, good morning. Good morning. This is the day, the big day for us. So, yeah, maaga pa nagising na ako before 6 o'clock para makapag-ayos. At, yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a virtual ceremony for us. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. I'm praying na everything will be successful. Overthinking na naman nga ako. Kasi ang worry ko is may mga technical glitches. Baka mamaya magka-problema sa yung connection. But anyway, si Lord na lang ang bahala. Basta we have prepared everything. Yung nasa checklist, nandun na, double check na namin kagabi. So, yeah, praying na everything will be successful later. So, meron pa kami mga more than an hour to prepare. So, yun, nakapag-ayos-ayos na din, syempre, para magmukhang naman, presentable naman tayo mamaya. So, yeah, maaga pa. So, natutulog pa yung mga kasama namin dito sa bahay. Kaya, hindi pwedeng masyadong maingay. So, well, anyway, samahan nyo kami sa aming big day, yung aming ceremony for Canadian citizenship. Pero, syempre, hindi namin pwedeng ipakita the entirety of the ceremony kasi I think bawal yata, no? So, yeah, yung before and after na lang. Wala yung during the ceremony. So, samahan nyo kami. Let's start, yeah? Oh, my God. Excited. Ano to, Alin? Muda. Off ba, Elkan? Camera? Ah, okay. La. Nervyos me. Maka-nervyos.
Mia na yun.
Sige, anda ya. Kasama, ya pwede. Okay May problema.
Ready lang.
Pero na kaya di aton kuan o bandera. Okay, ya pwede man set up. Practice pa kita. Oath. Oath or affirmation of citizenship. So ready kami. Lego, after, God willing, after 2 hours, si Daddy hindi na Sambuangueño. Canadian niya si Daddy. Diba, Dad?
Yeah.
And then nusabi
Sí,
ato.
0027.
Nusabi ato ang talungon. So, just waiting for the time, the scheduled time. Nung magulo man timit pelo, o kusa man timit pelo, o. Bonito el tiempo. Ayan, Canadian na kami. Officially Canadians na. So, talagang 1 hour na talaga yung ceremony. Ang matagal lang yung hintayan, pero mabilis lang siya. So, yeah, thank you, Canada. We're so grateful for making us a part of your country. Thank you. So, bye! Bye, Canadians! Oh, kung saan to feel ara kay Canadian niya to?
Just the same.
Just the same. Nusabi ato ara man Chabacano, English ato ara, or French.
Bisaya, ako daw.
Pesaba yun, nusabi ato man Chabacano.
Chabacano, un poquito de español.
Okay, very good.
Canadian niya yun. No.
At last, we got it! Truly, truly Canadians now.
Canadian.
It came just this afternoon, and it's not even like 1 week or just 1 week.
No.
1 week? Oh yeah, it's not even
Almost 1 week.
Okay, yeah, but it didn't take that long. So it's only like a little...
4 days.
Yeah, before 1 week, and it arrived. And we were told, expect it in 2 to
6 weeks.
6 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks. Or anyway, so it's here, and yeah, this proves it.